Hi, I will show you how to see who subscribed to you on YouTube. First, go to youtube.com and log into your account. Next, you want to click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then select YouTube Studio. Once you are in the back end, scroll down until you see the Recent Subscribers box. Click on See All and a box will pop up. Now you can see who subscribed to you. You can also filter the list by 90 days, 28 days, 7 days, and even lifetime. You can also toggle the date or subscriber count to see your earliest subscriber and also the subscriber count they have. Keep in mind that this list does not include subscribers that keep their subscriptions private. If you are doing it on mobile, you need to access the desktop version to see it as the YouTube Studio app doesn't have that information yet.